I will talk about how can you change your password on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you just come here to change password, you just click on it. Then here you just click here on request code. Then it's going you go to your email, then you reset your password. Then here automatically it's going to add with you here, and here can you reset code, and here add new password. Then you click on next. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.